saw this lady make a tincture with Ghostpipe, and I found some Ghostpipe just growing over by some oak trees back behind my house. So I figured we might as well give it a little go. I just tidied them up a little bit and took off the leaves and excess debris and washed everything. Because I only have 5 little ones, I'm just gonna use a baby mason jar to make the tincture. And we're gonna break it up into, I wanna say half. Let's do halves. Did not break even close to as easy as I thought it was going to. I'm sorry, flowers. I'm actually gonna rip them in half again and just do like a little bit less. Oh, sorry. Okay, it's a twist and rip, not a rip. Okay. I'd say that looks pretty happy. I just double checked the ratio and I actually only needed 3 for about 3 ounces. So it's like essentially 1 ghost pipe is equivalent, like you need 1 ghost pipe per buck. You need 1 ounce of your 40% or higher alcohol per 1 ghost stem. Ghost pipe, sorry, it's called ghost pipe. Currently I am using the smeared off vodka. It's at 40% alcohol, and then I have my 1 ounce shot glass. We're gonna do 3. Fuck it, should I do 4? Because I had 5 ghost pipes. Let's do it. Sick. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Ah. Ew, excuse me. Ugh. Honestly, the alcohol makes me sneeze. I don't... Vodka... Bleh. Not bleh, but bleh. Kinda. Okay. Usually you would put parchment on top. I don't have parchment at the moment, so I'm just gonna put the lid on as is. And we're gonna let this sit for 4 to 6 weeks, and the tincture is gonna turn purple. So if you wanna come back, you know where I'll be. All right, I love you guys. Bye.